Welcome to Tuesday Talk and Reviews.
I got the inverter refrigerator, and now, after using it for a couple of months, I can do that review. I can't review every brand, only the Samsung one I got. I bought the Samsung RT53K 6541 SL model. This is a 16 cubic silver color 2-door top and bottom refrigerator with a water dispenser and a digital temperature control. All that is visible when you look at the closed fridge. When you open it, top and bottom doors, you can see the twin cooling plus sections. Looking at the top where the freezer is located, it has a blue shelf which can be removed. I can't tell you about this shelf. It's great. As I remember, one night I did not set the additional ice trays I had after the appliance timer shut down the fridge. So after 10 p.m., I hurriedly washed the ice trays, filled them with pipe water, and placed them stacked on this blue shelf. Can you believe in the morning before 7:30 a.m. when I checked the ice trays, they were set and hard? The manual stated that the shelf can keep your meat for 24 hours if the power should go. Continuing at the top, there are two acrylic freezer bins on the door. I received a twist ice maker with an acrylic storage for the top as well. With this, you can set the water in the trays, and when frozen, just twist the lever and the ice will fall in the acrylic storage. I've used this to store excess ice as well. I set with the other trays that I have. The freezer at the top was just the right size for me, even though I was moving from an 18 cubic to now a 16 cubic refrigerator. It doesn't feel small at all. Moving down now to the bottom of the refrigerator, the door has a water tank for the dispenser and some more acrylic bins for storing bottles, among other things. It also came with some acrylic egg trays able to hold a total of about 12 eggs. On the inside, there is what Samsung called a fresh room. It's really an acrylic storage with a flip lid. There are also a slide shelf, a movable vegetable box, and a vegetable drawer included. Behind all of that is a deodorizer that is included. Samsung in an advert boasts that the refrigerator creates a favorable environment for preserving fresh food in the fridge with 70% humidity compared to 30% in the conventional model. So it keeps ingredients fresh longer without drying out. The twin cooling plus system cools the compartments separately to stop unexpected odors spreading from the fridge. Personally, I can't prove the 70 and 30% statement. However, I've proven that it really keeps my produce longer without drying out. Better than the conventional fridge. About the odors, I used to add a baking soda to the conventional refrigerator that I had. But since I now have the inverter fridge, I've not added any. And it's true, no odor. Another part of the advert states that the refrigerator works longer, more quietly, and uses less energy. If I can't verify anything else, then this is it. All true. I told you in my vlog that the light bill was drastically reduced as I was using 800 watts with the conventional fridge, and this Samsung inverter fridge is only using 180 watts. In regards to the noise, I also told you that I forgot that I even have a fridge at times, as I can't even air it. When the fridge makes a beep, it's when you have the door open for too long. Then it alerts you that this is happening. This is a feature I love about it. Another thing I love about this model is that there it has a vacation mode feature where if you're going on a vacation or on a business trip, or if you do not intend to use the fridge for an extended time, you can use this vacation mode. This is able to fully power down a section of the refrigerator that will not be needed. I'm eager to test this part, especially when I leave the island, as I previously noticed that if I leave the house when I had a conventional fridge, my light bill don't change much. So I'm eager to try this next time. Finally, the water dispenser for some conventional fridge is attached to a pipe connected to the water system. For this fridge, the dispenser you fill is inside, and it has a tank inside and is able to get the water nice and cool without opening the refrigerator. I love this as well. The only thing is that because I drink a lot of water, it empties quickly. So I still keep my water bottles inside the fridge. The dispenser can also be turned off from the outside. Another plus. I told you in a vlog that I would not change a thing about the fridge I got. Imagine. I set out to get a refrigerator with 4 distinct things I required, and I came home with one that gave me all 4 and a whole lot more.
What you're waiting on? Remember to like, share, and subscribe.